Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is another unboxing of a birthday challenge. This box right here is from Veronica, and she's Too Sweet Crafts on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Veronica, thank you so much for your super sweet little notes and for my birthday wishes. Muchas gracias. And yeah, you guys, let's get into this box. Wifey and my daughter have been waiting for me to crack open this box for almost a week. I think I got this, I think last Monday. And we opened all the boxes, just kind of looked at the top. And then I'm like, you gotta wait until I film it. So my daughter's waiting on the chocolates and my wife is waiting on the gummies. So they're gonna be super excited when I finally film this video. So as you can see, she sent some candies. I love Hershey Kisses. So I'm going to share with my daughter, but those are definitely going to be for me. She sent some M&Ms. She hooked it up with the treats. And you guys, look at all this like pink. I'm trying to move the box so that I can take everything out. Ooh, there's a cute little bag in here. Look, you guys. You guys sent me such cute little bags. Okay, I think this is her tag flip. Let me take out all the crinkle paper. Ooh, this is cute. I think I saw her VR or video on Instagram. She made one of these little stands for me with a little tag flip. You guys see that with the little stand? All right. Yep, it stands up. Okay. Let's see what else we have here. Ooh, I see her birthday card. I don't want to look at anything yet. Ooh, what is this? Oh, you guys, she sent me a piñata. Look how cute. Oh, that's so adorable. And then there's this little bag. And then we have, oh, look at this little Chinese container. This is super cute. Ooh, we got some more chocolate. And we got some Skittles. Oh, yeah. We got some snacks in the house. All right, you guys. That's her box. This is her crinkle paper, which, of course, I'll be saving. I'm going to put that up in here. And we're going to spread everything out so you guys can see it. So you guys already see the snacks that she sent. Thank you so much for these, Veronica. We will definitely be eating them. Put those aside. First thing I want to show you guys is her card. Look at this. Hey, it's your birthday. And look at that little stamp. Little girl, did you color this in? She's so cute. Little dog balloons, and it shakes. The little Hobby Lobby balloons. I love it. I love it. And look at the inside. She left it blank, so if I want to use the card. But you guys made such beautiful cards that I don't think I can part with them anytime soon. No, no, no. And then you guys, look at this piñata. This is so cute. I have a little tiny one, but this one's like a medium-sized one. This is adorable. I love that. We're going to stand that right there. And then let's see what this is. Look at this little decorated box. She used the hooray. She did a bunch of stitching. The little balloons, the bows. Let's see what's in here. Oh, how cute. She decorated the little kit that I was actually going to buy this. Look at these scissors, you guys. This is so cute. I was going to buy this and I didn't get it. And she sent it to me. How cute. I forgot that I had seen this. I forget, you guys. I saw a lot of your VRs, but it was a hectic week. This is so cute. It's like itty bitty. I love this. Thank you so much, Veronica. And I love that you decorated the packaging for me. This is too cute. I'm definitely keeping that on my desk. I love it. And then we have this little box that she decorated. You guys see that? So cute. And I think maybe she put her embellishments in here. Let's see what's in here. Oh no, she gifted me like little stickers and ephemera pieces. Let's see what we have. I want to keep the crinkle paper in there. I like the way it looks inside the little box. Ooh, look at this little bear. So there's a bunch of ephemera pieces. Look at that. And then there's this cute little truck, the ice cream truck. There's tickets. Ooh, there's some of these little chipboard hearts. Thank you so much for that. You guys know I love me some ephemera. I love it. And then we have this one, and it feels cushiony. So this is probably like maybe trim. Oh no, she gifted me a pair of socks. Look how cute. I love these colors. This is my second pair of socks that I got in all my little gifts. Thank you so much for that. I will definitely be wearing them. Who doesn't like a pair of cozy socks? And then I'm going to keep your little gift bag because it's adorable. And then before we get into the tag flip, we're going to go into this bag, which she has a puffy little keychain, which is so cute. And look at this bag that she decorated. I think she put the patch on it. So cute. It's a party. The little stickers. So fun. Let's see what we have in here. Ooh, there's a bunch of goodies. Let's see. Oh, I love these lollipops. Party Punch. This for sure is mine. And look, you guys. She put like confetti inside of this cute little like acrylic candy. That's a cute idea. I like these. Where'd you get these? These are super cute. She gifted me a pen with a unicorn on it. I love these. I think I got sent this one. I have all these pens inside this jar right here on my desk. That's where this one's going. She gifted me some cute little erasers and little clips. You guys already know I love me some little doodads. Let's see what's in here. Thank you so much for all these little extras, Veronica. That's so sweet. So we have here this cute little ephemera piece with the little dog balloon. So it's like a little embellishment. Oh, these are her embellishments, I think, you guys. Look how pretty. And then there's this one, the little cake. Oh, these are adorable. I love them. They're so cute. I see doilies. I have been organizing all the entries, you guys, and I'm just blown away. Blown away. If you guys have been watching these videos, you know that my group of followers, subscribers are amazing. Look at this. And they're the little tiny ones. I love you guys so much. Like, the love is so real. And when I was organizing all the stuff, it's just like, wow. She gave me some studs. She gave me some chipboard stars. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. That is amazing. You didn't have to do that, but I appreciate it so much. She sent all these little extra goodies. And on to her tag flip, you guys. I see all this beautiful eyelash trim. I love how eyelash trim makes projects look. It just looks so fun. And look at the front of her page. So cute. It says celebrate. She's got little puffies. Super detailed. Tons of stitching. It looks so cool. Look at this little charm right here with the little stars. And look at that. Look at the layers. Super puffed up with the stickers. It says happy. I love all the stitching. Wow, this is just beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. I love it so much. Look at that, the little shaker, the little accordion style. And that's her little label, handmade for you with love, Two Sweet Crafts, Veronica. I love that she used the corrugated paper in mint green. Never seen it in that color. But look at that, you guys. It's a cute little stand. And look at the back. She decorated it with this big old cupcake. And look at this little kind of like puffed up epoxy with the little dog balloon. So cute. Little star right here. I love it so much. Thank you so much, Veronica, for participating in my challenge, sending me all these goodies, all these yummy candies. My girls are gonna appreciate it. I appreciate it so much. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.